Now let's bring in noted Indianapolis sports attorney Bill Bach, who has been part of similar investigations. First off, Bill, thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Todd.
You surprised at all by this decision?
Well, I am. I definitely am, because I thought that the commissioner's punishment for Tom Brady to try to uphold the integrity of the game was appropriate. And there's an appeal that's going to take place, so this isn't the last word in this case.
You speak about the integrity of the game. Does this decision help or hurt?
Well, I think it completely ignores the underlying fundamental issue of the integrity of the game. I mean, the decision by Commissioner Goodell was that the footballs were deflated. There was a scheme to deflate the footballs. Tom Brady likely knew about the scheme, and that he got rid of his cell phone, which was relevant evidence in the case, and didn't at all cooperate with the investigation. The judge's decision didn't undercut any of those findings by the commissioner.
And wasn't meant to, right?
He instead kind of addressed technical issues about whether Tom Brady could have reasonably expected to have been sanctioned for 4 games for that sort of conduct. So he focused on notice issues rather than the underlying facts of the case.
So what happens now for the commissioner? This isn't the first case he has lost, really. Where does that take him and the league?
Well, unfortunately, the judge's decision was that the league hadn't had adequate procedures regarding the notice about the sort of penalty for this sort of conduct. I imagine the league will try to address that. That's tough, because they're in a collective bargaining situation where every time they try to change the rules to uphold the integrity of the game, they seem to get nipped at the heels by the union. So, it's not an easy situation for the NFL to be in. A lot of people are jumping on them about this decision, but really it was a courageous effort by the commissioner to try to uphold the integrity of the game. As fans, we want to know that the playing field is level, and that the contest that we're seeing on the field is equal in terms of both sides.
We don't want anybody cheating, right?
Absolutely. that destroys the game for the fans. And make no mistake, Tom Brady's legacy has been irreparably tarnished by his involvement in this situation. And so there's a price to pay, and that's an important lesson as well. Tom Brady didn't get away with anything here. He was caught. Those employees of the Patriots were caught, and at the end of the day, the world knows that the footballs were deflated.
All right, Bill Bach, Indianapolis attorney, thanks for joining us. Appreciate
Thank you, Todd.
Erica, back to you.